Growl.
Gonna explode. I'm Matt, this is Joe, and that's Jim.
Somehow there's room.
Hey, it's a new kind of talk show.
Now, how many push-ups can you do before karate?
It's a food show.
It's
Talk show about food.
Now, I don't work out at all.
We know. I thought it was a food show where we ate while we were talking.
Well, we eat while we talk.
Bacon is good. Pork is good.
so what's gonna happen is we're gonna go to 4 places one day, and we're going to eat.
Too much!
Figure out how many push-ups.
Grow up.
No, I'm just kidding. I love you. Hey, happy Halloween. I need a sound.
Yeah, you all
You
right?
gonna be okay? You wanna get you something? You nailed it!
And the reason I came down to eat with you today was it's like I don't eat potatoes anymore. Why? Because I'm a pussy. And I'm serious. Even if you just came down here, and I don't give a shit, it's a shameless plug. You could eat nothing else and just have a bucket of these little fuckers, and you'd be the happiest person on earth.
Tell Aunt Margaret that I have a little surprise for her. And I asked her to turn around. There's all little kids there playing the, little elves and all. And I got behind her and I gave her a little bunny bump. A little bunny. Hey!
Round 4, Virgil's Barbecue, 44th and 7th, here in New York City. Let's go inside.
You guys cover like Tori Amos and Sarah McLachlan and stuff?
Not exactly, no.
Not exactly.
Nah.
What kind of music do you guys do?
What idiots.
Toast. Toast with the ribs.
Toast, I think we've completed our very first crawl. Thank you
Awesome.
for joining us, gentlemen.
Next week, the Caesar salad crawl.
This is the
Some kind of Metamucil crawl.
bromo crawl.
Yeah, the colonoscopy crawl.